To hide apps on Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find the security and privacy. When you open it, scroll down and look for the hide apps. Now, if you didn't already, you will need to set up your privacy password. I have it, so I just need to enter it. If it asks you to enter the privacy password, just enter it for whichever password you've made it for this specific option. And then we'll be able to get started with hiding apps. So you have two methods to access your hidden apps. First one is via the home screen icon. You'll be able to see the specific icon on your home screen that should show you all of your hidden apps. But if you want to truly hide them, go for the dial pad tone. I think it's much better to hide it that way. So now we need to set an access code for our dial pad tone. If we enter settings, you'll be able to enter the code that will allow you to access all of those hidden apps. In this case, I'm gonna go for something like this. So it's #12#. It always needs to begin with a hash, and I think it also needs to end with hash. So when we're ready, we can click on done. Now when it's all done, we can add apps that we want to hide. For example, let's go for AliExpress. And then if we try to enter those hidden apps, we need to open the phone dialer for this method and enter the hash that we've made to access those apps. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.